Welcome to IVTNN's Hello India program. This program is taken special focus on the COVID issues of the second and third spike of COVID in the Indian state. Most of the Indian state which are ruled by the opposition has been mismanaged by the inexperienced chief ministers and the rulers who were trying to challenge the central government has completely mismanaged the COVID issue, and they were busy in mudslinging the central government. Now, the general public is paying heavy price for that. People go to the hospital to do testing. If they are found to test positive, they were admitted there or they were not sent back to their home. Most of them lying in the corridors waiting for the bed and oxygen cylinder. Running short of oxygen cylinder has caused more problems, and government is trying their level best to get oxygen on the location of the hospitals. But one thing is very important, that oxygen can be produced for individual use by using passing electricity into water using a small container. Each container can give enough oxygen for the people. No one knows how to control this situation, because running short of oxygen cylinder means the breathing problem is the first and most dangerous consequences of attack of the COVID. Secondly, the second version of this version of COVID that mutate, integrate, combining 2-3 strains, and they become very stronger. Secondly, it is reported that this version can easily sense in a crowd the vaccinated blood from a distance. It is for most of the living beings have a survival capacity given by the nature. For example, man can sense only 7 colors. That is the only colors the eye of a human being can sense. He can sense only a specific frequency of the sound. It doesn't mean that the rest of the sound frequencies are not existing in the universe. There are millions of frequencies are existing. There are millions of color versions, color frequencies are existing. But man, for his own survival, his own behavior and his own way of life, the nature has rewarded him only with this capacity. With this capacity, he has to survive. The same way, the worms which doesn't have eyes, mostly used by the snail and all, they use a kind of antenna which can detect only the signals from the surroundings that suits their survival. First of all, they will be able to detect the weather. Secondly, they will be able to detect the enemy, or the predator. Third, they will be able to detect the food they eat. Only these 3 things will be able to detect it. That is for the man, that is for any other animal. Where the same way, this virus COVID can detect the body or the blood which has already vaccinated, and it won't be able to grow in that. From the distance, if 100 people are in a group or in a crowd gathering somewhere, and if one body has already infected by the COVID inside the blood to spread into that other crowd is immediately triggered in their body. That time the body it has got a specific detection antenna which will detect the bodies which already have vaccinated, and it will spread into the other body which doesn't have any vaccination, so that it can survive. It is because this capability is given by the nature, because the epidemic is seen in among every human being and every living being, especially if you have a broiler chicken, very big farm. If the chicken is more than 10, immediately you will be able to see that there is some kind of a disease is spreading among the chicken, the cocks, the rooster. Why? Because it is the law of the nature to control the population of any living being. If you will take the human beings survived because it develop the vaccines, they develop, the human being develop its vaccination, medicine and everything. That's why the population has grown so fast. Otherwise, the nature would have eliminated human beings into 25% of the existing population using the epidemic. So epidemic these days are coming unexpected epidemic. The epidemic never ever we have seen before. For example, polio or chickenpox, all these have been immunized, completely eliminated. So they came in another form, AIDS. AIDS was unknown to our forefathers. After that, the AIDS has been eliminated. Now there is less news about the AIDS because people are aware of it. People are using preventive measures. The nature has to survive. So what the nature is doing, they send another one is a chikungunya. Before that, dengue. So these are the temperate region focused illness, epidemic. After that, it came now is a COVID. COVID was across the world. But last year, COVID, in 2020, COVID-related lockdown taken place in India or any other place was almost in the same time, 20th of April. This year again, in 2021, it is the 20th of April. So, its spike takes place in summer. So, summer is the most conducive, most friendly atmosphere for this virus to mutate and spread. In such a context, temperature related illness like this to be controlled using the circumstances accordingly. Secondly, this is not because of people ignored and the government ignored the testing or anything. The government released the people. But now this is a new version. It's not the old version. Old version vaccination or otherwise its capacity is gone down. It will not come back in its form. Every epidemic or virus or bacteria has a time period to survive. After that, it will get eliminated its own. This is the law of the nature. It is their potential to mutate comes down. Their potential to attack, to produce the antibodies against any immunity of a body will come down. So they will not survive, they will get eliminated. But this version is combining two to three strains together and created a new version and attacked. Now this new version may not be able to be easily tackled by the vaccination already created, because vaccination was created by single strain. This is a two strain or three strain united, like a DNA or RNA combined together, and a new version has been launched, and it has got a specific features of a protein coverage, immunity, and enter into the cell, attacking, spreading, everything is entirely different version. So when the vaccination of this will come, the another formation will come. So one thing we notice that the survival of this kind of virus is only 12 months. Now 12 months, the first one is gone, then second version came. Second one will go in 8 to 10 months time. The third version may come, it may not come, because after 3 years, it is not reported anywhere in the world, including the Spanish flu in 1918. Not more than 3 years. 36 months is the maximum period of this virus to spread and survive on the surface of the earth. So now we are into the 16th month. So maximum 16 more months it will take to get rid of this virus. In 1918, 500 million people have been affected. And the death was so much more than the total number of people died in the Second World War. Second World War has triggered because of the dead bodies, the dirt in the street and bled from this, the dirt, that bacteria of virus, Spanish flu bacteria has grown. But this time, I'm sure it was grown in the laboratory of China, and China has released it because they were so annoyed with the repeated attack by Trump administration, to teach the world a lesson that a small time is enough for China to teach the world a lesson. And with this COVID, the attention of the world has turned from Huawei or 5G generation. Now where is the 5G communication telecom? 5G is gone. Everyone forgotten it. It is the America and the China was competing for that. Huawei was banned from participating in any American bid. So this is gone. So it was deliberately done. With this, what all happened? China has made sure that Trump was not re-elected. China has made sure that WHO has supported it. Now WHO given clean chit to China that China is not responsible for any kind of spread of COVID. So China has again escaped. After that, China used this time this to declare a war against border small countries in its region. Now China has withdrawn shamelessly and shamefully, bowing head. Now everyone is looking at China and cursing China, and no one knows how many people are going to file case against China for causing this epidemic. If the ship which stuck in Suez Canal could be penalized for $1 billion by Egyptian government, then how many billions has to be charged from China for causing the death of millions of people? We should know it well. And everyone has to file a case in their respective courts against China and send a notice to Chinese embassy demanding $1 million per person who has been affected, and 3 million the people who have died for any family member for that family, and the Chinese government has to pay that money. If they don't pay, they are all asset. The ship, they are everything, like Germany. After Second World War, everyone has occupied Germany's asset, like everyone has to occupy China's asset, like their ship, their investment, Huawei tower, and their factories, everything has to be occupied and taken the compensation from China. And with this, we are ending this week's Hello India program. Because this is a special program because India is totally affected by the COVID, and this is a second version of a 2 to 3 strain together and become more powerful. So the vaccine is now become most probably useless. But one surprising news is that Israel has declared completely free from the COVID because they have a discipline, maintained discipline. Because a small country like Israel can do, because their total population is 1 crore, that is much lesser than the total population of a small city of Delhi. India has got 150 times more people than Israel, so it will take time. Most of the people are living in a remote villages. It is very difficult to get access to the medicine. So that should mirror in India and every places. And other thing is that one should know that the opposition ruled inexperienced chief ministers wherever they are ruling. That's the place this epidemic is spreading more, and because of the mismanagement of these people who doesn't have a administrative experience. This is another problem. So all of us hope that oxygen shortage should be or will be solved very fast, and people have to trial small container based electricity used into the water, pass into the water and generate oxygen, and connect with a small pipe, small tube into a mask, and we can save the people's life. That is also can be used experimentally, and even medical companies can produce it as small containers, and people can use even it at their home. So this is also another solution, practical solution, than we are running after big tankers. Small container is enough. If you pass electricity into water, then you can generate oxygen. Small container with water and electricity is enough to generate enough oxygen to support one individual or one patient. This is also experimental. Thank you for watching IVTN and Good Morning World. Have a nice day.